Hello and welcome to the most interactive course on Microsoft Excel. This is the only course where I have been introduced to learn by doing approach. This is the best approach of learning any skills. Another problem is today's world is we give too much information to our students. So this overloaded information doesn't make the learning process very efficient and effective. In this course, I will discuss the specific things, the things that you need specifically. No overloaded information is given. The most important thing is this course is updated regularly. I will update you everything in the Excel world. You will get notifications from me, you will get updated informations what is happening inside the world. In technological world you have to be updated, so I will update you again and again. The final thing is deep foundation and bright future. So many of my students ask that, oh, is this the updated version, is this the software is updated, there are many changes have been taken place. So I always say them that if your foundation is deep, then you can deal with any versions of the software. So have a deep foundation. If you know the core things, then if the version changes or if anything happens, you will adapt very easily within few hours. So don't worry. In this course, I will be helping you to make a deep foundation on Excel world. So let's get started.